In ancient times, a man of great strength, Nehemiah, the cupbearer, his faith relentless, with courage in his heart and purpose in his hands. He answered the call to restore the promised land. A commission bestowed to rebuild Jerusalem walls. Once broken would rise again, stone by stone. They worked day and night with sweat on their brow. They fought the fight, renew and rebuild the city of old. With faith as our guide, we'll be brave and bold. Covenant renewed as the walls stand tall. Dedication of the wall.